Hi everyone, and how are you today? Yeah, I'm good today. It's a nice day. I hope it's a nice day to you too. And I have the Makita impact driver. I will test it. You can hear that the sound is really not normal for this one. And of course it's a front rubber missing. I have the parts here. I have the front rubbers code 42429-0, and I think it will be the Armature, and it's a code 619372-8. I will take it out, and I will take out the rubber. And of course I will deassemble the tool. Now, when deassembling this tool, we are starting from the front. Normally we are removing the rubber, then removing the plastic cover. Such two pins here, they are holding the plastic cover on the driver housing. Just pushing it out. Now we have the back cover for the carbon brushes. Yep, you can see that the carbon brushes is good now. And I will just lift the springs for the carbon brushes, and I hope you will be able to see that. Just take a bad screwdriver for that job. And just putting the spring on a groove here. So groove for the spring. Now the spring will not press the carbon brush. Of course, made the same with the both carbon brushes. Now just opening the housing. It's a little bit stuck here, so I'll lift it with a screwdriver. And yep, everything goes out. What can we see? We can see that the armature looks good, but it's still working with not all the power. And you can see that now the armature is changed. It's a winding change, and on the sides they left the same. And it's normal now. All the new armatures goes with a change in part number and of course the winding. Now what can we do now? Just insert the armature. You can see that the groove here, the groove goes in the same way than the gear, because it must be fitted in the housing. Just inserting it in the gear housing. I'm moving when inserting it to insert it correctly, because if it's not inserted correctly, you can break the tool, you can burn the motor. And now I'm just trying, and it spins perfectly. Yep, just installing everything back. Cannot get a field in a groove. Now I think the field is not in its place. Checking this one in place, this one in place. Okay, I will try to close the housing. Yep, it closes perfectly. Now we need to screw the screws in. And don't forget to move the springs back to the carbon brushes. Now they have fall out for me. As you can see, the springs are going really low here, so I will just try to get them back. Yep, you can see how it presses the armature down and making that for the second one. Yep, it's in. Don't forget to check the wires of the carbon brush to not leave them like this, because then the spring cannot press the carbon brush down and the tool will stop. Of course, maybe not immediately, but in a time. Okay, just closing the back cover of the tool. Now we can put the cover, and now goes the front rubber to make it look very nice. Yep, now it looks very nice, and we changing the armature for the drill. Now it's time to test it and hear the sound. Yeah, it's way better. It's really way better sound. And oh, as you can see, the armature looks good, but it still makes some awful sound, and the ball bearing looks good of it. Sometimes just the armature just don't work properly, and I don't know, maybe with on the motors or repair of the motors you can explain that, but I just know that the strange sound sometimes is the armature. Okay. So thank you for watching, and of course always waiting for new subscribers, and I love my old subscribers. Always waiting for the comments on my videos, good comments, not the bad comments. I'm bored of the bad comments, and what can I say more? Just thank you for watching. I'm happy that my videos help for someone to repair the power tools, and of course I will meet you in my next video. Bye.